Okay guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, I want us to look maybe this platform is still paying or not. Lanzajet, this is a new platform where you can earn money. I have already made a video concerning this platform before. When you register on this platform, they will give you $10 for free, but you will need to add $15 to it to make it $25 as the one you are seeing up here. So after that, after you recharge $50 to it, or you can go for the higher investment. You can check for their go for higher investment. You can go for any higher investment. So as you can see, this first one here, this one you can add $15 to it to make it $25. This one is almost exhausted, so if you have not subscribed to it, try to do it now before people buy the product finish, and you will not be able to make money on it if you have not rent it. So for those people that have already rent it, you will still be making money on it. You can go for anyone. So right now I have invested on the platform, and again on this platform you can click on check here and you'll be making $0.10 daily. Also from here, $0.02 daily. I have made a video concerning this platform before. I will drop the link along this video description. Just check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there, and the link to my first video, you will also see it there. So right now you can see that I have $6 here. Now I want to withdraw everything. The only time you can withdraw from this platform is from Monday to Friday, and from withdrawal start from 10 a.m. in the morning. 10 a.m. So right now let's see if this platform is still pay or not. Right now let me click on withdraw. So as you can see, withdraw, they will take their own transaction fee of $1 per your withdrawal on this platform. So right now I'm going to receive 5.0319. I don't know this thing I use. Let me check it first. Let me check the wallet address I bind with this platform. Let me know. Okay, TGK, this is my second wallet address. So let me make the withdrawal. I'll show it to you. So as you can see, I have only $128 and I have not even received any money into this wallet today. So let's see if this platform will pay us or not. So right now click on withdraw. Now they are going to take a transaction fee of $1. Their minimum withdrawal is $2. Okay, now click on confirm. Success. As you can see, it wrote success right now, right? Success. So right now I will go back to my my this thing. Let me check withdrawal from here. As you can see, withdrawal in review. So this is my first withdrawal on this platform 3 days ago, and this is my second right now. So in review, still on in review. So let me just quickly use this opportunity to show you something. If you go for this first plan here, you deposit $15 to join the $10 given to you. You will be earning $0.75 daily. Why this one, the plan is $80. For example, if you put in $70 plus the $10 given to you, you'll be getting 2.80 daily. If you put 240, join the $10 given to you on this second one here, this LJ2 here, which is $250 investment, you'll be getting $9.73 daily. Like that, this $600 own is, you will be getting $24.73 daily. So that is how it work on this platform, and it will make yield money for you for 365 days. You can withdraw at any time. You have up to $2 on your wallet. So that is how it work, guys. That is how it work. So let me check again if I have received the payment. Maybe it has gone. Still in review, so I will wait a little longer. Let me just wait a little. I can pause the video and play it again. Withdraw successfully. Now let me go to my wallet to check it out. So here it is. So after I wait for some minutes, I received it about an hour ago. Yeah, as you can see it here, hours ago, because I paused the video. So guys, Lanzajet is still paying. They are still paying. As you can see, this is my second withdrawal on this platform. Don't wait till I withdraw 10 times or 11 times or 12 times before you will start your own on this platform. Try to register now and start it.